Welcome back to Digital Marketing Insights Lab. In this video, we'll dive into the world of search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. Today, we're going to cover the fundamentals of SEO, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building strategies. SEO is a powerful tool that can significantly impact your website's visibility on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. By optimizing your content and website, you can attract organic traffic and outrank your competitors. Let's get started with the basics. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. It involves identifying the right keywords and phrases that your target audience is using to search for products or services similar to yours. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and SEMrush can help you discover relevant keywords with high search volumes and low competition. On-page optimization is all about optimizing the elements within your website pages to make them search engine friendly. Ensure that your target keywords are strategically placed in the title tag, meta description, headings, and content. Don't forget to create compelling and informative meta tags to entice users to click on your search results. Another crucial aspect of on-page SEO is providing high-quality and relevant content. Create valuable blog posts, articles, and landing pages that address your audience's needs and queries. Aim to become a valuable resource for your users, and search engines will reward you with higher rankings. Link building plays a pivotal role in SEO. It involves acquiring backlinks from other reputable websites to signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Focus on building quality, natural backlinks from relevant and authoritative sources in your industry. Some effective link building strategies include guest posting on relevant blogs, creating shareable infographics, and networking with other websites in your niche. Remember, it's not just about the quantity of backlinks, but also the quality and relevance. By mastering the basics of SEO, you'll lay a solid foundation for your website's success in search engine rankings. Remember to keep an eye on your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics and continually refine your SEO strategy based on data-driven insights. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions and tutorials on various digital marketing topics. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Marketing Insights Lab for more valuable content like this.